Like I said, you really don't have to have a lot of expensive stuff because I literally do not. So let me show you a couple things that I have. Okay, well, first of all, excuse my Hello Kitty rice cooker. And sadly enough, I think it's dying, you guys. I have it on cook and the light's not coming on. And it only feels like a tad bit warm. I'm really sad about that. But anyways, I get off topic really fast. So I have this, I don't even know how you say this, a Farberware? A Farberware? Don't laugh at me, guys. Blender, and I think I got it from either Walmart or Target, but it's been years, you guys. So it comes with all these like random size containers that you could use, like this large one, this smaller, like medium sized one, and then you have this really tiny baby one. So cute, right? And basically it's the same idea as a baby bullet. Now when I had my twins, I did have a baby bullet, but that was 10 years ago, and I wasn't gonna go out and buy a whole nother freaking baby bullet when I have this perfectly good blender that works just the same. Only thing is it doesn't come with those cute little containers from the baby bullet, but that's okay. I'll show you what I do to store all the baby food. So it comes with these 3 containers, and literally, you guys, most of the time I only use this big tall one just because it's just convenient, and that's what typically first thing that I grab. It comes with 2 different type of blades. So it comes with this one, and then it also comes with this one. I usually just use this one because it does a better job. So this one probably has dust and everything on it because I don't use it. So another thing that I have literally is a fork, you guys. Once you cook the baby food, a lot of the items are mushy enough anyway, so just go ahead and use it to mush up the food. Like bananas and stuff, you don't even need to cook it. It's already mushy if you let it ripen up and just mash it down. Another one of the things that I have is this, we're gonna call it a masher because I don't know what it's called, but yes, again, inside one of my utensil drawers, really old, don't have no clue where I got it from, maybe Walmart. Wouldn't go out and spend a whole bunch of money, but yeah, this is one thing I have. So you literally put it in a bowl and chomp it down. I have one of these like handheld blenders, so you plug it up, it comes with this like little attachment here, and again, the blade is already attached. You literally just clean it. It's easy to rinse off, and you just hold it and blend it down. A few of the other items that I use. So with that, I use this cup. It came with this cup. I believe it did. I believe it came with this cup, and it has like the little measurement of the ounces and everything in it, but I just like it because it's such a big cup. I honestly don't know what it came with because I really don't think it came with this. I'm not sure. So I also use this to scrape the baby food into the storage bins or the bowls or whatever I'm using. Some of the things that help me to blend up the items, I either use this baby distilled water. I use some breast milk. I usually have like 2 ounces of breast milk that I use to help me blend up everything. And then, okay, so here is the carrots that I have. It has a little bit of the water in it. I just wasted it on the floor. So it has a little bit of water in it from what I boiled the carrots in. I always like to keep that. But in this case, I actually have defrosted breast milk that I'm going to use instead. Obviously, this is the easiest way. Obviously, right? So a couple carrots. Yes, I'm using my hands. I promise my hands are clean. I wouldn't do anything to hurt my little one. So I'm just showing you. I'm going to grab a couple of the carrots. Put them inside of there like that. Add a little bit of this. My baby loves nutmeg, so I'm putting a little bit of that in there, and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the outcome, so you can also see the different textures as well. So obviously this is blended, so very smooth. The consistency is very parade. Then you have the mashed, which is a little bit chunkier, if I would say so. I think it's a little bit chunkier. So, in all honesty, I probably would have. And honestly, I probably should have added more water or breast milk to this when I mashed it down. But oh well, it just gives you an idea of what it looks like. Then we have the fork, which is more parade. Like I would give my 6-month-old this. And then we have the hand blender, which looks like this. It's more watery, still parade, but just more watery, a thicker parade, we'll call it that. It's a more thicker parade. And once I'm done with all of that, I'll either decide if I want to add some seasoning to it, because I introduce my kids seasoning very young so they can develop great taste buds and enjoy seasonings and stuff as they get older, and not be like, ooh, what is that, when they get a little bit older. So I typically like to use nutmeg with carrots, which is his absolute favorite, but every so often I'll throw some cinnamon in there as well. So but yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope these ideas and tips helped you guys along the way with making your baby's baby food. So don't forget to click and subscribe, you guys. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you in the next one.